Hello friends, today we're going to make a really quick weeknight chicken parmesan. So I've got water boiling for my spaghetti noodles. I'm going to put a little oil in my pan. For my chicken, I'm going to slice it kind of thin. I've got 2 breasts here I'm going to use today. Actually, I've got 2.5. I forgot that pack had 5 in it when I split it. So, a little bonus extra. You can buy thinly sliced chicken. The only place I can get it is Great Value Walmart brand. And so I stopped buying that. It's also cheaper to just slice it yourself. But you can buy the thin cutlets. You could also pound it out if you wanted to. But I prefer to just slice mine thinly so that it cooks faster and doesn't get tough. So I'm using a jar sauce today to make this a weeknight quick meal. Any kind you like is totally fine. Mine is olive oil and garlic. Trimming my fat off. Takes a little minute. And I'm only going to stick this in the broil for a few minutes because it's going to be basically pretty much done when it goes in. If you keep your chicken fat and whole, then you'll need to bake it longer. I don't really want to bake mine very long. I just want to stick it under the broiler to melt the cheese and call it done. So alright, so that's close to done. I'm going to go ahead and turn this pan on pretty high. I just didn't want that to overheat, that oil, so. The only thing I am going to do is coat my chicken with Italian breadcrumbs. For me and my family, we don't need any other seasoning, but if you want to add anything else to yours, if you want some, you know, hot pepper chili flakes or anything like that, by all means, go for it. Bit there. But we use these in a lot of stuff, and the Great Value is totally fine. They should stick decently, but you could always spray it with I have some avocado oil spray here that I just got. It hasn't been opened yet, but let's see. Alright, let's pull out the olive oil one. Get that open later. So I'm just going to spray it with a little olive oil to make sure my breadcrumbs stick good. Usually not really a problem. It's probably not necessary, but just want to brown this on both sides. What you can do is also spray a little more oil on top of the breadcrumbs if you think they'll all fall off. I don't usually have much of an issue, so. I always check my oven before turning it on because one time I had something in there and I pretty much melted a plate, so we always check that. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and take my glove off and put my noodles in, because sometimes noodles can take longer than the other stuff. Since I've got that water boiling. Use any noodle you want, penny or ziti or linguine, fettuccine, whatever makes you happy. I happen to have a lot of spaghetti noodles right now, so, and my family loves them, so that's what I'm going to go with. Alright, check that oil. Not quite hot enough yet, so I'll pause it and give it another second to heat up. Alright, my oil is sizzling, so we're going to add our chicken. Putting the breadcrumb side down. And then I'm going to sprinkle more on this side. You don't have to go too heavy because it would probably just fall off anyway. If you don't like your noodles clumped all together, then you need to poke on them a little bit while they cook, or they'll stick to the bottom and make clusters of clumpy noodles, which my husband likes. He likes it when I have him some noodle clumps. So I usually don't over stir mine, but I'm also going to make some garlic bread to go along with this today. So since I'm going to have the broiler on anyway, I may as well make use of some bread. Alright, so those breadcrumbs do burn fairly quickly, so we're going to flip that. Get you a little closer. We're going to go ahead and flip these. In fact, I might even turn it down a little bit, going from 8 to 6 now. I do want mine to mostly cook just because I'm only doing broil and I'm not going to be baking it. If you baked it for about 30 minutes, then you could just cook it about that same amount of time on the other side. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip these again just so that each side can be a little bit darkened. Pretty much done. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take this out. I'll turn that down because I'm going to do my sauce in there anyway. We're just going to layer them in our pan. I've got a clean spatula now because I'm pretty sure they're done. I'm not using those tongs again. I'm going to wipe that little bit of excess oil from that pan just because I don't want that grease in my sauce, but I do want the chicken flavor, so I'm just going to kind of dab some of that oil out of there. Always put just a touch of water in my jar and shake it up so I can get every little bit out of there. Before our chicken, we want to top it with cheese. Today I'm using provolone and Parmesan. Okay. You can put any cheese you want on there. I'm going to turn these noodles off now. My family does not like overcooked noodles. You could put any cheese you like. We eat a lot of Parmesan, and I've got these slices that are probably just going to mold on me, so I thought it would be a good way to use them up. Plus, I think it stays intact a little bit better if you can use some sort of slice instead of just shredded cheese, but that's just me. Okay, then we're going to spoon a little bit of sauce on top of each one. I don't put too much sauce on these because I want to make sure I have enough for the noodles. But you put as much as you want. Just like to give it a little bit. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little Parmesan on top of that. It's totally optional. And that's it. They're going in the broiler for about 5 minutes and they will be done. I got my broiler on high. And I'm going to turn this down to low. I'm going to drain these noodles real quick. But I'm also going to finish up my bread so that it can go in there alongside of my chicken. So I've got the butter on there. Now I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Not too crazy with it though. You could do just basil or oregano if you wanted. And definitely some garlic powder. My family likes a lot of garlic, so you just do you, whatever you like or don't like. And Parmesan cheese. This one just can't have enough cheese. Alright, and that's just going to go in the broiler too. Might give it a second because it will probably cook faster than the chicken. And I don't want it to be dark and I want them to both be hot and done at the same time. So I'm going to pause you while I drain my noodles. Alright, going to pull the bread out. I've got the oven off. So I'm getting ready to pull the chicken out too. Make a little bit more space. Alright, there you have it. All you gotta do is plate it now. For that, we're going to just put noodles. And then if your family likes the chicken on top, put it on top. If they don't, put it on the side. Go. Weeknight quickie, done. There's my weeknight dinner. Made me a little Caesar salad with some almost tired, just iceberg lettuce. Yum yum. Enjoy. Daddy, eat.
On my way.